Do you think mina if bisexual bengizotshola now? I was not correct.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Tembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the heat and I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Yeah, with a beautiful someone.
Thank you, Lams. You're also handsome.
Thank you.
You try.
How handsome am I?
Hi, guys. How are you? I'm good. Listen, guys, I go around asking couples questions there.
Okay.
Would you be okay with like a couples quiz?
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
Okay. Please come this side, ne? Just come closer for me. Okay, on my right, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Name?
It's Tando.
Tando and?
Fihlani.
Fihlani.
Yeah.
Fihlani, how long have you been with Tando?
It's 3 months now.
3 months.
Yeah, and 3 days maybe, I'm sure.
Okay, even though the days. Okay. Did you celebrate your 3-month anniversary?
No, not yet. It's still early.
It's still early
Yeah,
there.
maybe 6 months we're gonna celebrate.
Oh, okay, nice. What is it that you like about Fihlani?
He's a very supportive person. Come visit me. We talk a lot. He inspires me. That's all.
Okay, nice. Okay. Fihlani, what do you like about Tando?
Unenhliziyo enhle uThando yazi intombazane enakekelayo uyakhona nokupheka and yangisupport nangemali yabona.
Hey, Tando.
Uyabheda kahle kahle.
Uyabheda wena.
No, nami ngiyambheda.
Some 50-50.
50-50 yazi naye mangibroke uyangivusa mayebroke ngiyamvusa yabona.
Nice.
Yeah,
I like that. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
If bengapheka uThando, was that gonna make a difference? If bengapheka. Ufuna upheke lo.
Uyabona phela ngithi yazi ngomfana omZulu. Kumele nebona buye ethi yabona kodwa hayi yena uright uyazi ukuthi ngizomenzela izinto eziright.
Okay.
Uyazi mina ngithanda uphuthu yabona
Okay.
ngiselo mfana la eGoli eZimbabwe. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
On a scale of 1 to 10, my scat, how much do you trust Fihlani?
9.
9.
Yeah.
Leaving 1 for disappointment.
Yes.
Okay. Fihlani? On a scale of 1 to 10?
Shem. Ngamuphu 10 hayi shem
10.
honesty yazi kakhulu.
Okay.
Kakhulu shem mina nje ngabe ngisile ezumfana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Let me get to the point, Nick, guys. Okay. What we do on this show is that we make couples switch phones, okay?
All right.
So you switch phones and you go through each other's WhatsApps. We're testing your loyalty. That reaction Fihlani explained
It's for 1%. That's 1%.
Yes.
Wow uyazi ukuthi sikhulumile le angeke sibambelana amafoni.
Okay.
Hey.
Why?
Isike saba nale nkinga before nje masiqala yabona. Yeah, cause hey phela ngithi uyazi umfana kumele abe umfana kodwa ke
Hey, Fihlani, what does that mean? Umfana funeka abe ngumfana.
phela ngithi uyazi mina ngisuka esithenjini ngumfana omZulu yabo.
Yeah.
So kunamathize nyana kodwa hayi angeke athole into.
So bufuna isithembu initially.
Uyazi ukuthi ngithanda isithembu mina umfana omZulu yabona kodwa ke uyazi ngiyamtshela amakhono okuvelayo kodwa angazi ke njengamanje.
Okay.
Uyazi ukuthi ngefoni hayi akukho lula but angazi yazi.
Ufuna uthini wena Thando?
Yike into engayisho nje mina ngasho ukuthi we can exchange them.
Yeah.
Sibone ukuthi sizotholani kubhuti omZulu.
Okay.
Ngoba ngathi uyabilayela nje angimboni kahle.
Engathi uyatatazela.
Ngiyambona ngathi bayatatazela labantu.
Sana.
Manje uqala ngeyami.
Singaqala ngathanda ngekathanda, it doesn't matter.
Hayi.
Okay, we'll start with the Thando.
Okay.
Ivule isikhathi
Okay,
passcode ivulile.
Yes. No shit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Go to her WhatsApp, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, search. Yeah, type love you.
Love you.
Mhm.
Love you. I.
Okay,
I did.
clean. Okay.
Yeah.
Delete that, type miss you.
Miss you.
Mhm. Okay.
Next.
Delete that, type ageko.
Ageko. Okay, ageko. Yes.
Okay. Nothing. Okay.
Next.
Delete that, type woza.
Was. Why you know mathematics? Was.
Never know.
Okay, yeah.
Nothing dodgy, ne?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, delete that. Type pregnant.
Pregnant.
Okay.
Next.
Delete that, type babe.
Babe. Okay.
Hey,
Hi, son.
Okay. Type outside. Let's see who's
Outside.
fetching the woman here.
Okay. Outside. Nix.
Okay, delete that. Type last night.
Yes, that's last night. Nix.
Okay, delete that. Type test.
Test.
Mhm.
Okay. Test. Nix.
Hey, Aisan.
Hi.
Wow. Girl. Okay, give her back her phone. Clean.
Okay.
Fishan, it's your turn. Thank you very much. Just open it for me. Okay. Ah, you try,
Okay, move.
yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
go to his WhatsApp. Yeah, and okay, search. Type love you. Okay, what are you seeing?
My name.
Nice. Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Nothing.
Okay, nice. Delete that. Type thank you. Let's see who your man is doing favors.
Nothing.
Okay. Delete that. Type babe.
Me.
Okay. Okay. Delete that. Type ageko.
Nothing.
Okay. Hey, still going well. Nice. Okay. Delete that. Type woza. What are you saying, Scott?
Ngibona igama la kubhalwe Simphiwe.
Go into the. Okay, that could be obviously. I think it's a guy. Ne?
Yes.
Bezalandono Simphiwe.
Yamazi Simphiwe, umngani wami uyazi. Oza.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I guess that's a friend, was there? What wrong with Chobini sana?
USimphiwe lo mazi. USimphiwe
Ah,
yamazi.
akunaSimphiwe engimaziyo la. Ama-EFT.
Bheka iprofile, uSimphiwe.
Ngiyamazi uSimphiwe ukuthi umngani wakho but lezi ezila akusiyizo. Angeke.
Yini le?
Lezi uyathandwa.
Romantic mos.
Uyathandwa amahati never kunamngane osendelwa amahati cela ungangenza islima kunamngane osendelwa amahati
Uyamazi uSimphiwe yena?
ngiyamazi eza umngane wakhe but ukuthi bayenza le ngiyibona la no ngiyaqala ukuyibona la amahati uyathandwa.
Go to the pictures, go to media to check pictures.
Manje thanda usama.
nawo ama-selfie restaurant kumnandi.
Why are you taking selfies with your friend?
It's my friend manje uSimphiwe yamazi.
Njengoba nikhozi kanje anibukeki njengabantu abangathi abangani laba kubukeka njengabantu abajolayo.
Are you gay?
Khuluma
Uyamazi uSimphiwe.
ngiyamazi ukuthi umngane wakho ngiyamazi ukuthi umngane wakho
uyamazi Simphiwe.
ukuthi umngane wakho only but le engiyibona la yamahati bheka nje bheka izithombe zenu bheka
Wena
izithombe
umsendele umngane wakho iheart.
ezinje no I don't do
The
that
pictures.
angiziyenzi lezo zinto lezo. Hawu ungenza isilima ungenza isilima ungenza isilima ungenza isilima
let's phone yami yami ngifike phone.
Let me see your phone,
uyazazi ukuthi
Scott.
uyajola.
Hayi but noba yintombazana kodwa.
Hayi.
Sisakusuye uyambona na lo muntu obonakala
Awusamazi
ngimaza umngane wakho mina ayilento wena ishoyo engiyibona nala
Yini lento
unyenza
ebonakala
isilima
Khozi mani.
Wakhozi kunyana.
amahathi umuntu uyathandwa waze wathandwa ke lo mfana mina do you think ngiyayitshela intombazane ukuthi ngiyayithanda
Angazi.
Ngiyakutshela wena ukuthi
Angazi umngane wami ngikhula naye.
ngiyekela ukutshela wena ukuthi ngiyakuthanda ngiyotshela umngane wami ukuthi ngimthanda bekayenzani.
Hi, can I please speak to Simphiwe?
Speaking.
Okay.
Hello Simphiwe
Hello.
unjani
Simphiwe lo khuluma.
ngiyaphila yekela ukuloku ufaka izinto ezingekho ufakazani uyamazi ubhudile okhuluma la ku background.
Angazi. Mina ngizwe ivoice yakho. Ngikhuluma nobani kahle?
ngicela usondele ithi hello.
Simphiwe usimanga okhulumayo ne.
Oh, love you. Come back. Grand.
Okay ungathula Lavi mhlawumbe uzwile nawe uzwile ukuthi isilima yimi isilima yimi ngekela.
So you buy, you guys you buy.
Mosuyazi ukuthi
Indoda yakho ne ufihlani? Usimanga whatever.
yeah, fisa.
Mazi ngosimanga.
Yeah, indoda yami. Wena ubani?
Simphiwe usimanga okhulumayo ne. Mamela ne.
namagama uyawashintsha namhlanje ufihlani kusasa usimanga.
He hung up.
At least you confirmed.
So your other lovers also
Ngcolile,
Ithi
Shem.
ngikhulume sisi uyazi kodwa thanda
Yini
ukuthi ngayitshela
engiyaziyo?
ukuthi ngi-bisexual mina.
Yini engiyaziyo?
Ngamtshela since ngiqala ukuthi mina ngi-bisexual ngithanda abafana ngithanda nani.
Ungitsheleni asakutshele bona bongicocela istory ngathi ucoca istory somngane wakho kanti awusho ukuthi esakho. Do you think mina if bisexual bengizotshola nawe? I was not correct. Bengeke.
Mos uyazi, mos
Hayi sisi ungcolile, uhlukane nami angisakufuni nje. Uhlukane nami. Ngisakufuni mina. Sis,
So you done my skirt mfuni?
angisamfuni. Ngizomenzani? Ngiyakatshela nejona yakhe. Ngiyekele.
ayikho leyo nto. Sokhuluma soyi-2.
Nekhuluma sala.
Dlamini.
Ngiyekele. Wena wangayeki mina. Ayithi ngikubambe. Ngiyekele. Hawu.
Thando.
I'm sorry, my skirt, man.
Thando, ay.
But even if you are bisexual, I don't know about dateable by two at the same time because it's still a relationship.
Yeah.
Do you get me? So just because you're dating a guy and a woman doesn't make it okay.
That's
You're still cheating.
Yeah.
But then again, he also said he's a polygamist. There's a lot to dissect.
But I mean, I understand him, ne? But he's wrong ukuthi actually nosisi engamtshela iqiniso.
Yes.
And she
Yeah.
was supposed to tell her the truth.
And-
Mina ngumuntu okanje.
Yes. And
If usisi ufuna ukuhlala ku relationship, let it be decision yakhe. Uthola. Engabe se find out ngalendlela leni.
yeah.
So it's wrong kanjalo. It's wrong.
Oh, that was hectic. Clowns?
Iqhina liphumile embizeni.
Kwavele ba impundu sibhekise eNorth. And it's okay.
Imfundo sibhekisa phi?
eNorth.
Ayinyazi. No, into ekumele
I don't
ayenze
even
yena
know.
akaphume kusisi amshiye usisi aqhubeke nonakhuzana noSimphiwe wakhe.
Yeah.
Angithi yena noSimphiwe ba right, yena noSimphiwe ba right. Yena noSimphiwe ba right, aqhubeke noSimphiwe yakhe ayekele usisi. Phela.
Okay.
Yeah.
But with the bisexual couples that I know personally, not all bisexual couples, the ones that I know, they always lean towards the same gender. Like they always prefer being lesbian
Yeah.
actually or gay actually. So when they date two people, you'd find that the girl dating a guy would prefer being with another girl.
Another girl. Yes. it
So
makes
the ones that
sense.
I know are never really bi. They're actually just lesbian or gay. But making sense?
Is she making sense?
They never, they prefer
I get
the
you.
other side.
I
There's a
get you.
favorite side, Mandicho. There's a favorite side. It's never 50-50.
50-50, yeah.
Yeah. So with Usmanga, I wonder if he has like a favorite side. But anyway.
Eish, who are we to? We're only here to try and solve if akusolveki siya kanjalo.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go home, Lams.
I just wish that people can see what lento ifakela ngaphansi, this thing that is
It's a
holding.
bra.
It's that thing that's holding your.
It's a bra.
I've never seen a bra like this. It's my first time. This one.
What do you mean? This?
Yeah, I've never seen this kind of a bra. It's like it was made on her. Yeah, it's okay, but I wish you can see what I'm seeing, but unfortunately you can't.
Jamini, let's close. I'm actually hungry. All right, CMTV viewers, that's an absolute wrap from us. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _ and follow me on Facebook, Lisa Serame.
Instagram, it's welcome_Dlamini, 88 siyabonga. Facebook, it's welcome Dlamini. TikTok, same thing, welcome Dlamini. Abantu ababuzile ukuthi umlungu sesiphendulile yini nge-raise yama akasiphenduli.
At all.
Akaphenduli umlungu bafethu. I saw the comments, I saw the questions in the comment sections bebuza abantu ukuthi guys how far.
Okay.
Bebebuza abantu, people were asking.
Yeah.